Hi, the next technology I've selected to share with you is called ABCya, and it is a great resource for teachers to use in their classroom to help foster student independent learning. So the purpose of this video is to show students how they would use this, specifically kindergarten students, since that's the grade I teach. So I'm gearing this video towards students, and the IST standards that I have selected to go with this would be 5A, which is using technology to create learning experiences for students that foster independent learning and accommodates all learners. So once again, like my Starfall video that I showed, this is great because it allows students to go at their own pace and work on skills that they're needing to work on. And I also chose 6A to go with this because it fosters an environment where students are taking ownership of their own learning and they're able to work independently on their assignments. So now I'm going to show a student how they would use this. So when you go on your computer or your tablet or smartphone, wherever you be working from, you're going to go to ABCya.com, and if you're doing it on a tablet, you're going to have to download the app, which is free. Once there, you're going to click on whatever grade level you're in, and so for us, it's going to be kindergarten, so we're going to click on the yellow tree. And once we click on it, here we go. It's going to take us to this page, and we can either practice our letters, our numbers, we can do some holiday activities, work on some strategy or other skills. And for today, we're going to do numbers, so I'm going to click on the numbers one. And then the specific skill we're going to be working on is patterns. So I'm going to click on this where it says Fuzz Bugs Patterns. And once there, I'm going to hit the big play button.
Fuzz Bugs Patterns.
And I'm going to hit the green go.
The fuzz bugs made a pattern, but it's not complete.
So
Move
it looks
the
like
fuzz bugs from the bottom shelf to the fuzz bugs with question marks to complete the pattern.
I'm going to have to finish the pattern. So right now it's looking like I have an A-B pattern. So the next one is going to be the A color, which would be orange. And then the next one's going to be the blue. And how I'm doing this is I'm holding the mouse and clicking and dragging. But if you were playing this on a tablet, you could use your finger.
It's going to get a little more tricky now.
And now, once again, it's that same A-B pattern. And so the next one I'm going to need is brown. And then I'm going to need white. Oh, white. Yeah. Maybe if I can grab it. There we go.
That's correct.
Let's do one more.
Let's try another pattern.
So now this one's gotten even trickier because it's an ABC pattern. So the next one I'm going to need is going to be a red, and then a yellow, and then a purple. So if I'm all done playing, I'm just going to click the back button, or I can click on the grade level right here. And it'll take me back there. And now I think I'm going to practice a letter game. So as I'm scrolling through, I think I'm going to practice tracing my letters and numbers. So click to play.
Number. What do you want to trace? Capital letters.
We're going to
Lowercase
work on
letters. Numbers.
capital letters.
Rock. Pop. Classical.
And then I'm going to pick a music.
Trace the letters following the dotted lines.
Okay.
Start at the arrow and go all the way to the end. The hand will show you where to start if you get off track.
I do B. And when I'm all done, I'm going to go back and choose another game. So this is my tutorial on ABCya. Thanks.